Chapter 18: Creating Educational Courses. In the modern world, people are constantly learning. Online courses have become one of the most in-demand products, and creating such a course is an excellent way to monetize your knowledge and experience. But traditional course creation is an enormous effort, developing the structure, writing scripts, preparing presentations, and homework assignments. All of this takes months of work. But with artificial intelligence, you can launch your own online course in a matter of weeks, turning it into a source of passive income. This chapter will show you how to use neural networks to create a full, high-quality educational product several times faster. AI helps with every stage of creating an educational course. Concept development. AI can help you choose a course topic that will be in demand on the market. Structure and script creation. Neural networks can write a detailed course plan and scripts for each lesson. Presentation preparation. AI tools automatically create slides based on your text. Assignment and test generation. Neural networks can come up with homework assignments, tests, and practical exercises for your students. Visual and voiceover creation. You can use AI to generate illustrations, graphs, and voiceovers for your lessons. Any course starts with an idea and a clear structure. AI will help you with this. First step, choosing a topic and analyzing the audience. Prompt: You are an online education expert. I want to create a course for freelance students. What problems do they want to solve? What skills do they want to master? Suggest 5 ideas for a course that will be in demand on the market. Second step, creating the course structure. After choosing a topic, you can ask AI to create a detailed structure. Prompt: You are an experienced methodologist and expert in creating online courses. Develop a detailed structure for a course on time management for freelancers with artificial intelligence. The course should consist of 4 modules. For each module, suggest 3 to 5 lessons with a brief but impactful description. Describe how each module helps solve a specific problem for the audience. This approach allows you to quickly create a foundation for a course that you can fill with your unique experience and knowledge. After you have created the structure, it's time to fill it with content. Video lesson scripts, presentations, and homework assignments are the foundation of any course. AI will help you create all these elements. First, writing video lesson scripts. A script is the key to a quality video. It helps you structure your thoughts and make sure you haven't missed anything important. Prompt: Write a script for a lesson on how to choose your niche as a freelancer. The lesson should last 5 minutes and be intended for beginners. Include an introduction, 3 to 4 key points with examples, and a conclusion with a motivational message. Second, creating presentations. A presentation is the visual support for your lesson. AI tools like Gamma or Tome can automatically create slides based on your text. Prompt: You are a presentation creation assistant. Take this lesson script and create 10 slides. For each slide, come up with a headline, a short text, and suggest an idea for the visual design. Third, generating homework assignments and tests. For your course to be effective, students must apply their knowledge in practice. AI can help you generate assignments and tests. Prompt: Come up with 3 practical homework assignments and 5 questions for the lesson on how to choose your niche as a freelancer. The assignments should not be too difficult and should be aimed at reinforcing the material. Fourth, creating visuals and voiceovers. To make the course more professional, you can use AI to create visuals and voiceovers. Use Midjourney or Leonardo AI to generate unique illustrations and graphs for your presentations. Use 11 Labs to voice the lessons if you don't want to record your own voice. In this way, AI does most of the routine work, allowing you to focus on what's most important, your unique experience and knowledge. Monetizing and promoting your course. For a course to generate income, it's not enough to just create it. You need to properly package it and promote it. AI can help you here as well, turning your course into a profitable business. First way, a sales page or landing page. Your landing page is the main sales tool. Use the skills you learned in previous chapters to create persuasive text. Prompt: write the text for the sales page of my online course, Time Management for Freelancers with Artificial Intelligence. Include a problem description, the solution, benefits, the course program, and a call to action. The text should be motivating and professional. Use Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create attractive covers and illustrations for the page. Second way, ad campaigns. AI can help you create advertisements that will attract students. Prompt: come up with 5 ad copy variations for Facebook about my course. The ad should be targeted at novice freelancers and promise them an increase in income and save time. Third way, promotion through content marketing. You can use content marketing to attract an audience to your course. Blog. Create articles on topics related to your course. For example, how to find clients with AI, or 5 mistakes novice prompt engineers make. At the end of each article, add a call to action to buy your course. Email newsletter. Use a newsletter to build an audience interest and announce the course launch.